Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 22nd of November. And first of all, national news. Gyanvapi case court to hear play on carbon dating of Shivling on November 30. Elections to the Gujarat Assembly will be held in two phases on December 1 and 5. Vice President Dhankar met Indian community in Qatar. Mallikarjun Kharge to campaign in Gujarat from November 26. Mix of religion and politics, poison for India. Mahatma Gandhi's grandson. Gujarat bridge collapse was an enormous tragedy. Supreme Court on Monday. Five Noida doctors named for causing death of COVID patient. UAE Foreign Minister on two-day visit to India. Rajiv Gandhi killers release, Congress to challenge Supreme Court order. Former bureaucrat Arun Goyal joined office as election commissioner. PM Modi was instrumental in forging consensus at G20 meet US official. Mother dairy milk to be costlier in Delhi nearby cities. Now international news. Top Russian official warned of possible nuclear accident at Ukraine plant. Turkey to launch ground operation in Syria, Erdogan said. It's over. Twitter France head quit amid mass layoffs. No trade deal that relies on alignment with EU laws, UK's Rishi Sunak. Process to appoint next army chief to be completed by November 25, Pak Minister. Ukraine's Zelensky promised victory over Russia on protest anniversary. Overwhelmed, migrant workers said their sweat made Qatar World Cup happen. Russia urged global response over strikes on Ukraine nuclear plant. Israel's Netanyahu won defamation case against ex-PM Ehud Olmert. Iran said taking retaliatory measures over nuclear watchdogs resolution. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle to be awarded for calling out structural racism within royal household, a report said. Controversial dinosaur skeleton auction cancelled in Hong Kong. Prince Andrew made secret visit to Bahrain with a mission, a report said. Voting age of 18 is discriminatory, rules New Zealand's top court. And now some sports news. Novak Djokovic finished troubled year with satisfying ATP Finals title. Meltwater chess R. Pragnananda beat Arjun Erigesi in final round, finished 5th. Iran team refused to sing national anthem ahead of FIFA World Cup game against England in support of anti-government protesters back home. Vijay Hazare Trophy. Jagdishan scored 141 ball 277, broke world record for highest ever list a score. FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, Indian Vice President Dhankar met FIFA world leaders. Now, business related news. Sensex crashed over 500 points, extending losses for third straight day. Rupee fall 16 paise to 81.85 as dollar rised on global gloom. Average housing prices up 5% in top 8 cities, a report said. Assets worth rupees 33,422 crore monetized by government in financial year 23. Microblogging platform Koo logged over 1 million downloads within 2 days of launch in Brazil. HDFC Bank, Canara Bank got RBI approval for rupee trade with Russia, a report said. CRISIL cuts financial year 23 growth projection for India to 7%. Jio got company tribunal's approval to acquire Reliance Infratel. Budget should focus on job creation to boost demand growth. Industry bodies to Finance Minister. India imported 23.4 lakh tons of fertilizer in October. Mother dairy milk to cost higher in Delhi, nearby cities. EPFO Provident Fund body added 16.82 lakh net subscribers in September. Government will set rules to counter fake reviews on e-commerce websites. Now news from Science and Technology. PSLV to launch Pixel's hyperspectral imaging satellite Anand on November 26. NASA study suggested that how temperature Venus suffered a heat death. G20 summit, India planned Science 20 meet for member nations side events in July 2023. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.